Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you permanently delete your Podio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your Podio account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider, and maybe you want to go ahead and permanently delete the account you're not using. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently delete your Podio account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on account settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 6 options across the top, but you want to make sure you click on account settings. Once you click there, you're going to look to the bottom, and there's a blue button here called I wish to permanently delete my Podio user account. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete your Podio account? If so, you need to click this little box and then type in delete my account. Once you do that, click here on this turquoise button, delete my entire Podio account. I'm not going to do that because I still am using my Podio account, but there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your Podio account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.